And today's video for Everything Rocket Raccoon, one of my best friends got me this here Gamora and Rocket figurine set. And I'm going to open it up and check it out, starting now. Hey, welcome back. I appreciate you guys stopping in. However, if it's your first time here and you're a big fan of Rocket Raccoon, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on anything. Alright, let's do this. Gonna need me a razor blade. Ooh. It's so big. I mean, wow. Bigger than I was expecting. I saw this before online and I was really wanting one. But I didn't think it would be this big. That's pretty awesome. Oh, more tape preventing me from the goodness. Not anymore. That one too. Oh yeah. Oh, wow. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. The galaxy's deadliest woman with the galaxy's deadliest raccoon. Alright guys, I'm going to get you a close-up here and a better shot. Wow, I was not actually expecting this nice of a figure. This thing's actually really awesome. I'm going to love it in my collection. Thanks for stopping in. I really appreciate you guys checking out the video today. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Gamora and Rocket figure. Pretty impressive, I think. I like it a lot. And I will see you guys on the next video.